Guys, I just got confirmation from the wildlife that this eagle is really good. I will show you. There is a bird over there that keeps coming and dive bombing, and he is upset. He is making a lot of noise. I'm going to wait here till he does it again. Oh, I hope he comes back. In the meantime, we got turkeys. That's Roger, the duck. Oh, here they come. They seem upset as well. Hi, Roger. Turkey. Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Oh, he's mad. Now he's up there. I don't know what it is. Roger's upset as well. That's Roger. Oh my gosh, everybody's acting like maniacs. Well, I hope I got him. I've been seeing him out of the corner of my eye for probably an hour now, and I didn't know what he was doing at first, and then I realized he's dive bombing the eagle statue. So, confirmation, the eagle is dangerous looking. All right, I can't stand here forever. Thought you guys might be interested in that.